Mitch.
Hi, Dot.
So what are we doing today?
We're excited to open two things.
Yeah.
The first of them is a book of hours, but a little unconventional.
It is. Can I hold this little book up so we can see? All right. What's so special about this book of hours?
It's not on parchment. It's not on paper. But it's on silk, and not just printed on silk pages, but actually woven.
Woven into the silk.
Yes. So this was produced in the 1880s in Lyon, in France, and it was displayed at several world's exhibitions as a example of like the greatness of French weaving technology. This was all programmed. You could say this is the first computer-made book.
Right. It wasn't made by hand. It was on cards, right?
Punch cards directed the loom of how to make this book of ours. And
this is so cool, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
This is a really important book, and we're really grateful to my colleague Nick Herman for spotting this at auction this spring and enabling us to acquire it.
Nice. So it's in a little.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Ooh!
So you.
Oh my gosh!
The pages are themselves woven out of silk.
I gotta touch it. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it's quite thick.
It is thick. I was expecting it to feel more like fabric, but it doesn't really, does it? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so weird.
You can see the intricate. I don't know how much zoom you can get on that, but like the stitch, the weaving is very small.
That is amazing. That's so neat. I'm so glad we have one. You know, and working with like digital stuff, it's just like it's such a neat like example of technology, you know, because these are copies of books of hours, right? Yeah. I was reading about this.
So they have different illuminations in them.
Right. So this wasn't like original art. It was like taken from.
You can see these intricate details on the initial. Yeah.
My heavens, I'm going to zoom in again. Zoom. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, this is fantastic.
It's very cool.
And we're sorry Nick couldn't be here. He's in Italy right now, or else he would be unboxing this because it was such a special thing to
Yeah, I think we're gonna get a lot of use out of this. I know I am going to be spending a lot of time with this one.
Oh, that's a great colophon there.
Neat thing. And there is, in this book, there is a image of the loom. So we'll
this is
take a look at that.
Small book by Matthew Westerby called From Cocoon to Codex.
That's so cool. And so that's what the loom looked like there. That is very neat. Surrounded by men, I have to point out. Interesting. And there's the book. Neat.
I love that.
Uh-oh.
Great.
Very cool.